President Barzani, Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, I think also on my behalf, big congratulations to the organization of the fair. And I think as everyone is entering the room, I'm very impressed about the setting and also about the videos you have shown. And I think I just have one little advice for next year's. I would have liked, I think maybe like other speakers also, to smash one of the boards that you showed at the entrance. It was a perfect idea and I think a good initiative of yours. As Roland Laugner pointed out, Rwanga Foundation is a long partner of German cooperation. And since he already said something about the various GIZ projects, I think I'd also like to address 2 points of the German cooperation. And the German cooperation goes far beyond what the GIZ is doing. It also includes lots of cultural activities. It includes security, as you are well aware of. And it includes exchange of education. And we are very proud of this long and good cooperation which has been established over the last years. Just 2 points. I think all these cooperation needs framework conditions which have to be set by the government. This includes also job creation, this includes private sector development. For this, transparency is needed, there are stable framework conditions needed for trade, for investment, and also for foreign partners. And we have noticed, I think with much interest, that many of the announcements which have been made as priorities of the incoming new government of the region Kurdistan, Iraq, will be addressing these issues. Diversification of the economy, creating more job opportunities beyond the oil and gas sector and also beyond the state sector. And in this context, I think also education is key as an underlying basis for all this to be established. And we hope also for further cooperation with the new government in this regard. So I think this is one point I wanted to add. And then the other message goes to the very many young people who are here. We are participating sometimes in events also which aim, for example, at stimulating new businesses. A couple of weeks ago, we have been in ڵمانيا for 5-1 Labs, who are also present here at the fair, and they made a business pitch. So they invited young people to present their own ideas on new job opportunities. And these ideas were really impressive. They started, with manga and anime. They went until rooftop gardening, but also in the environmental sector. So there is a lot of potential among the young people to create their own ideas. And I think this is a message to all of them to adhere. Use these opportunities and shape your future and the future of Kurdistan region, Iraq, also in the future. Thank you very much for the organizers. We wish everyone in the fair big success, especially for the job seekers. And once again, congratulations to Rwanga Foundations. We are happy to work together with you.